What we're going to do today is going to take this new Stihl 661C chainsaw and give you a little demonstration of it. Now, for some people that's considered to be a bit of a big chainsaw, but in our case we're planning to build a log cabin, and with the price of lumber the way it is, the costs are so high that I think it's going to justify milling our own lumber. So I wanted to get something that's big enough. This one is about 91cc chainsaw. If you've got anything smaller, I hope you can hear me. This wind here, it's kind of a windy day, but if you go with anything smaller, you might just burn the chainsaw out anyway. So it's one of those cases of better to go big instead of going home. So what we're going to do is I'm going to take these logs over here and I'm going to saw them up, because we had a tree brought down quite a while ago that came down in a bunch of chunks, very large tree, and the wood is very hard to get through. I can't chop it up in pieces like are laying there. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to dice off some pieces that are choppable from the end, and while I'm doing that, I think it's a good opportunity to give you a look at this saw, see how it works. It's got the M-TRONIC system on it, so it manages the engine electronically. There's a lot of really nice features in this saw here, including an enhanced oiling system for the chain. So with most chainsaws you can maybe adjust the oil feed a little bit, but this one you can really open it up, and that can be quite important for if you're doing milling work. So I hope you get something out of this channel, and subscribe to it if you find this content useful, and hit that like button as well. So let's get down to it and let's fire this thing up. out of gas. That was my last log too. Just about made her. Okay. So that was a bit of work. And I think I got a pretty good pile of wood here. The saw just goes through it real nice. Lots of power. And all that remains of that tree that came down, it's all cut up into manageable size pieces now, I hope. If not, I'm just gonna, can't chop them, I'll dice them up some more, but along with the grain, I think. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I have to recommend this Stihl 661C. It's a great saw. Starts very quick, lots of power. I guess that's it for now and for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then click that like button and subscribe as well. I appreciate your support for this channel, and until we do something else next time, just want to wish you God bless. On the way to Native Chronicles. See ya.
이때 또 내가 게开火子的，一给拿子的给我子。